The novel, Chicago, by Alaa Al-Aswany is set in the post-9/11 Chicago, where a group of Egyptian immigrants and students struggle with their personal and political dilemmas. The novel explores the themes of sex, money, identity, and power through the stories of various characters, such as Nagi Abd al-Samad, a poet and activist who falls in love with a Jewish woman and faces the wrath of the Egyptian intelligence service. Shema Mohammadi, a conservative and lonely woman who is pressured to marry an arrogant and ambitious man. Danana, the president of the Egyptian Students' Union, who collaborates with the Egyptian regime and spies on his fellow students. Arifat Thubit, a successful doctor who is haunted by his past love and his cultural alienation. Salah Ahmad, a professor who renounces his Egyptian roots and values until his daughter rebels against him. The novel depicts the clash of cultures and values between the Egyptians and the Americans, as well as the internal conflicts within the Egyptian community. It also criticizes the corruption and oppression of the Egyptian regime and its impact on the lives of ordinary people.